You getting some more?
Said I done?
Oh, you're taking a video. Cool.
Taking 2 videos.
Oh, you have that one going too? Cool. Is that what Bruce does?
Yeah, because he said he has 2 phones. So he has one phone on one side, like that, and I have one phone. This for social media stuff.
Cool.
But on their contraption, these two are hooked together.
Oh.
Into one.
I was turning it so it would get what you were doing.
Bruce just dropped a new video. Can you take a turn?
To sand? Yeah. Is your hand like vibrating?
I can't turn my. That's a bad shot.
No, that's an editing.